What's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? So after a very long time, Hedera Hashgraph, one of the fastest coin to their starting moving upward. Especially I have two good news for all Hedera Hashgraph holders. Absolutely, I announced these two good news, but kindly before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, my brother, from last 24 hours this coin has taken a very huge jump. So the first good news is that, my brother, and absolutely, my brother, this chain will be further too, because my brother, especially after a very long time, my brother, hold it. So therefore at the mid of month every graph you can see the moving upward now. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited to see this. Definitely this is very good change occurred now in the last 24 hours. But if you check out the previous 7 days, you can see this time minus 11.76% the price is decreasing now, and the change occurred last 1 hour minus 0.88% the price is also here decreasing now. So this is very bad news for all of you, my brothers, to after a good jump they again falls down, but this is reality, my brothers. So let's see, my brothers. I am 100% sure, my brothers, to upcoming time there is more chances they moving upward, because you can see on the chart results. So definitely after a failed every cryptocurrency take a jump. So I'm so happy to see this, my friends, but definitely after a huge jump they again falls down. So I'm so sad again now. But I hope, my brother, in upcoming time there is more chances so this coin is moving upward, because my brother, the direction is absolutely this time also moving upward now. So I hope this coin will make you a millionaire if you hold it. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now at the end of month. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.